Welcome to Atlas Bodycam. Today, we are breaking down the footage of a highly volatile and tragic incident out of Orange County, Florida. The date was June 3rd, 2026. What began as a standard noise complaint escalated into a deadly confrontation in a matter of seconds. Today's bodycam footage is a stark reminder of how quickly these situations can unfold. At approximately 1 p.m., a concerned neighbor from the 8200 block of Tivoli Drive dialed 911.
Yes.
What's going on? Do you need police, fire, or medical?
I'm not sure the right way to do this. I guess like a wellness check is what I'm requesting. One of my neighbors has been screaming at the top of her lungs outside of her house all day. We can't communicate with her. We can't do anything. She seems very violent right now. And then she went inside the house and has been apparently banging on things, according to her neighbor. And we're worried for her husband's health right now.
Okay. So you said that she's screaming? Like,
yeah.
What is she screaming?
Screaming.
When you say screaming, can you give me more information on what you mean exactly?
She speaks a different language, so I don't know specifically what she's saying. And I'm not aware of what language it is, but when she stepped outside, when we saw her, she was screaming at the top of her lungs and pointing repeatedly at her house. And then she went inside and started what sounds like throwing things in the house and banging on walls.
Based on this report, 3 deputies from the Orange County Sheriff's Office were dispatched to the scene. The woman was later identified as 59-year-old Rosalia Hodges. When the officers arrive, the neighborhood is completely quiet. Believing Hodges is inside, the deputies approach the front door to make contact and assess the situation.
Police here!
No, she quieted down. She quieted down.
But nothing could have prepared the officers for what happened when that door opened.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Get out! Drop it!
But Hodges doesn't stop. Continuing to shout threats, she aggressively closes the distance. When the gap becomes dangerously narrow and the officers' lives are in imminent danger, the 3 deputies discharge their service weapons simultaneously.
County shots fired.
Location 2302 Alpha. 10-4. Are you guys 10-4?
Get out! Get
Hey, she drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Get out!
Drop it! Drop the knife!
Get out!
Drop it!
Get out! Get out!
Drop it!
Get out!
Drop the knife!
No!
Drop the knife!
I killed you!
Drop the knife!
No!
Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
I killed you!
County shots fired.
Location 2302 Alpha. 10-4. Are you guys 10-4?